10-month online integrated program in business analytics by IIM-1 and Jiksha Academy prepares mid and senior level working professionals who wish to accelerate their careers and be future leaders. Backed by instructor-led sessions by award-winning faculty, projects, and an opportunity to interact with business leaders, this industry-relevant program ensures its learners a significant career transformation. 4 months of lockdown prevented approximately 4 to 25 lakhs cases and 37 to 78,000 deaths due to COVID-19, Health Minister Harshvardhan informed during the first day of Parliament's monsoon session. These 4 months were utilized to create additional health infrastructure, enhance human resource, and produce within India critical elements such as PPEs, N95 masks, and ventilators, he added. The WHO reported the highest one-day rise in global coronavirus cases at over 3.07 lakh on Sunday, taking the total cases to over 2.86 crore. India reported the highest increase of 94,372, followed by the US at 45,523 and Brazil at 43,718. The global COVID-19 death toll rose to over 9.17 lakh after 5,537. More deaths were reported on Sunday. UAE players Amir Hayat and Ashfaq Ahmad have been charged with 5 counts of breaching the game's anti-corruption rules and provisionally suspended with immediate effect. The ICC said the charges include attempting to fix or improperly influence the results of an international match. The alleged offences are reported related to 2019 Men's T20 World Cup qualifier played in October. US President Donald Trump has claimed that PM Narendra Modi praised him for coronavirus testing in the US. By far, we have tested more people than India than many big countries put together. India is second. We are 44 million tests ahead of India, he said. PM Modi calls me and said, "What a job you have done with testing," Trump added. Indian origin US Democratic vice presidential candidate Kamala Harris has shared an old picture with her grandparents, calling them phenomenal. "My grandfather was a defender of the freedom of India, while my grandmother traveled across India to talk to women about accessing birth control. Their passion and commitment to improving our future led me to where I am today," she wrote. Wholesale inflation in the country rose for the first time since March as prices of primary articles and manufactured products increased. Data released by the government showed on Monday. Inflation measured by the wholesale price index rose to 0.16% in August, compared with the contraction of 0.58% in July. The WPI inflation stood at 1.17% in August 2019. Tata Consultancy Services on Monday became the first Indian IT company to cross 9 lakh crore in market valuation. It also makes TCS the only second Indian company after Reliance Industries to attain a market valuation of over 9 lakh crore. TCS market valuation went past 9 lakh crore mark in early trade helped by a rally in its share price. Tamil Nadu software exports amounted to 25,000 crore in the last 2 quarters. Sanjay Tyagi, the director of Software Technology Parks of India, said this year's figure was higher than last year's export. He said, adding that the achievements is phenomenal. More than 90% of employees in the information technology industry work from home during the pandemic, he added. A technology company with links to the Chinese government and the Chinese Communist Party is monitoring over 10,000 Indian individuals and organizations in its global database of foreign targets. A report by the Indian Express said Zenhua Data Information Technology Corporate Limited is monitoring PM Narendra Modi, President Ramnath Kovind, several CMs and Chief Justice of India, among others. Eating 2 bananas before 60 minutes of gym will provide you enough energy for 90 minutes intense workout. Between North and South Korea lies 155 miles of no man's land where hundreds of rare animal species thrive. Always match the color of your belt and the color of your shoes. This will enhance your looks immediately. Until 1986, India was the only official place where diamonds were found. Thank you for watching. I hope this is very useful.